Hello good viewers, welcome back once again. In this video we are going to solve for the real value of x in the following hexic equation. X to the power of 6 plus x cubed, this is equal to 12. For the left hand side of this equation, we are going to rewrite that left hand side, but we need to recall a very nice identity. A to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? So for the left hand side here, we have there x to the power of 3 times 2, right? Because 3 times 2 is 6, then plus x cubed, this is equal to 12. From here, we make use of this property now. We have here x cubed to the power of 2 plus x cubed minus 12, this is equal to 0. So let us make a substitution. We're going to let x to the power of 3 equals y. And from here we have y squared plus y minus 12, this is equal to 0, right? I think from here this equation is factorizable, right? Now we're going to look for two terms that their multiplication will give us negative 12y squared. This is for their product, right? And their sum will give us just y. This is for sum. Now these two terms we are talking about, we have one to be negative since their product is negative, right? And let's think about something relating 4y and 3y. Now which one is going to be negative? If 4y is negative, yes, of course, their product will be negative 12y squared, but their sum will be negative y, and that is not what to have right over here. So I think the 3y is going to be negative. Where is this negative 12y squared coming from? A very nice question. We have to multiply the first term and the constant together, right? That is where negative 12y squared is coming from. Now, y here, we are going to rewrite it using the two terms we found. So here we have y squared plus 4y minus 3y minus 12, this is equal to 0. So from here we have a common factor of y, then into bracket y plus 4, and from here we have a common factor of negative 3 into bracket of y plus 4, this is equal to 0. So if we factor out y plus 4 from here, we are left with just y minus 3, and this is equal to 0, right? Okay, so from here we have, this implies that y plus 4 is equal to 0, or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here we get y is equal to negative 4, that is 0 minus 4, or from here y is equal to 3. Okay. Now let us recall that x cubed is equal to y, right? Okay. Now, when y is positive, the cube root of x is going to be the cube root of y. And that will give us a real value, right? Okay. Now what about when when y is negative? The cube root of the negative will also give us the real value, right? But right over here, we are not solving for cube root of unity, because when we try solving for that, we involve the complex solutions, right? So from here we have when y is equal to 3, x cubed is equal to 3, which implies that x will be equal to the cube root of 3, right? So right over here we have a solution. Now, when y is equal to -4, we're interested in the real solution, right? This does not mean that the cube root of 3 is the only solution for this equation. That is not true, but we are solving for real values of x, right? So here we get x cubed is equal to the -4. So from here, this implies that x is equal to the cube root of -4. You know, this is going to be the negative cube root of 4, right? So from here, we get another solution. So the equation only has two real solutions. So in the above equation, we have the solutions. X is equal to the cube root of 3. And we also have x is equal to the negative cube root of 4. And these are the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please kindly join my membership club, or you can send me a super thank to support my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.